goes the head gasket. Oh yeah. That's a Subaru for you.
Some hand-picked selected goodies from Trevor that we are going to be doing a giveaway on the channel. All you have to do to get entered in this giveaway is you have to like, comment, and subscribe to Trevor's Drift Cartel, Matt's MGTV Moto, he'll put it here, MG Moto Vision, I think that's it. Yeah, Matt George Moto Vision, and of course Mike Cattell on YouTube and Instagram. And as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna put all those together, and then we're gonna pick someone to give away all this merch to. So all you gotta do is stay tuned to all the videos that we're making this week, because we're going hard. Matt's gonna try and do a video every single day. We did a Trans Am video yesterday when we were playing at the shop. Tomorrow we got some plans that we're gonna go pick up some race cars, do some race car stuff. Thursday we got plans. So stay tuned, and if you guys want a chance to win some sick stuff from people who support me, and Trevor pretty much is the main supporter, he's the boy, so we gotta help Trevor out with this too, guys. So let's get on all those likes, subscriptions, and comments. Ring bells, do all the things you gotta do. I'd appreciate it very much. Got this on, yeah, I'm looking up right now, look up there. Whoa, it's gone. And I heard it blow up.
Wait, shine your light there, Mike. Your little flashlight.
See it? There's supposed to be a turbo blade there. And there's a cat here, so it should be. Yeah, you ready?
That's funny.
It's a dreidel.
It's like the old turbo whistle exhaust, eh?
It's a dreidel.
Beyblades back in the day.
It's my kind of Beyblade, dude. That's insane. Okay, that's cool.
Okay, that's cool.
Nice.
Stocks.
I'm really good at it.
So you were building like no boost.
It's absolutely zero, just oil.
Just oil.
We're just building oil.
What are you doing here, Mike?
Dude, we're doing a
Scooby-Doo?
yeah. We're playing with this oil burning Forester.
Turbo housing in the exhaust track?
Yeah,
or turbo wheel in the exhaust track.
You can see it needed a new turbo pretty bad.
I don't know, you probably gonna get a couple more kilometers out of it.
And then this pipe is all buckled. The last one I had to cut it out.
Is your turbo from JA Pan, or is it from the Amazon people?
No, it's like a used, like an OEM used lower kilometer one.
Oh, you didn't want to go to the jungle?
Yes, they are. No jungle website turbos. Same result. So I got all the coolant lines off. I got the physical turbo loose in there. I gotta push it back, undo the oil lines, and then it should be able to rip out.
All the things you do, eh, for Subaru.
Cars in general. Cars are just sucky.
The old Knuckle Buster 9000.
Ah, fuck yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean for that to actually happen.
Yeah, it's bound to happen.
You want the back gene?
No, I'm good. I'm not up pipe because it hurts, Matt. You might have to take off the up pipe to get to whatchamacallit.
Disco potato?
This is the turbo feed line that I'm undoing, and it has a banjo bolt out of the block, and that banjo bolt has a screen in it, and the screen gets clogged. So that's a common issue why the turbos die. Screen gets clogged.
Your exhaust got clogged with a turbo wheel? Probably a good chance that screen's clogged too, eh?
Yeah, so you just put a banjo bolt with no screen in it, which I have. It's just the up pipe is like right in the way of it, so we might have to take that out. And then to take the up pipe out, that means you got to take off one side of the header. Just a lot of undoing stuff, but I got this off like fairly quickly, honestly.
Old turbo out.
Little surgery
The new turbo. Just swapping some parts on it. Get it thrown back in the car.
Well, we might need this bolt where we're going, but we don't need. Oh, it's a cute little restrictor. It's neat. Same, but different.
Same, but different. But still same.
Just working on the spark plugs.
That only took too long.
It's always fun to work on a
Love
Subaru
Subarus.
spark plugs, eh? Tell me how you really feel, Steve.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just
Not that good.
It's just that bad,
My
dude.
knucks aren't quite loving it, you know?
Yeah, same.
The old knuckle delete?
Yeah.
Knuckle delete on a Thursday?
We will delete your knuckles working on these cars.
And your turbo wheels.
And your turbos.
New turbo going in, eh, Mike?
Slowly but surely, it's kind of a pain because you gotta line up the drain and the intake and the bolts and everything all at the same time. Just down on the studs.
I'm spreading it.
Yep, spreader.
Alright. Someone should look over there and see all the leaks that are hopefully not gonna happen.
They'll be loud.
Yeah. I can unplug this, pull this out, and then unplug each one of them. I'm just gonna read the light first.
Breathing in coolant and stuff, burning off. I'll probably connect the exhaust up and it'll be a lot quieter. That's on. I don't see where I would have introduced
So,
the lead
looking
anywhere.
into the engine bay while standing with your shins to the front bumper, rear left 3, rear right 4, front left 1, front right 2. So, at least that's
You're
what
saying
this...
it's my fault.
Maybe.
And we started to back up. We seemed to found a cylinder 1 misfire, so order a coil. We changed the coil packs around. It didn't follow the coil pack. It kind of sucks. So I got one anyways, just hoping and praying. So we'll do that.
See if she runs a little smoother.
See if she runs a little smoother. Put her back in.
I seen you put a little bit of weld the muffler up.
Yeah, we put the exhaust back together.
Yeah, because you guys will probably have seen that in this video, but that was last night. This is this morning kind of thing deal.
Yeah.
This is going to be its own video too, so.
This is the next day. Me and the shop panda just fucking getting
Fixing
punished.
scoobers.
Fixing stupidaroos. Stupidaroos. I think I found it.
Found the thing?
Yeah. Looks like this injector plug. Oh. The pin just come out.
Yeah!
That's it.
Hell yeah!
Nice.
We did it, Steve. I can return that coil pack.
So it wasn't the coil.
No,
it was
wasn't
the
the coil pack.
fuel injector.
Which makes sense because I did swap the injectors or swap the coil packs around and it didn't follow the coil pack. I was just like, well, I'm into punishment, so like let's just get a coil pack and like try it. And upon further inspection, because I had to yank on this harness so much.
Fuck yeah, that makes me happy.
You have a rockin' rally car now.
Yeah. likes it. It likes it.
That's a wrap on the Subaru, eh, Mike?
Probably needs the cooling system bled a little bit, but other than that, well, that's it. Playing with Subarus, punishing myself, smacking my knuckles. Why don't you smack your knuckles? Your shoes are still clean, dude.
Yeah, they are. Because I wiped them down with, what do you call it?
Well, you don't
Spray
want to work
dye.
on my Subaru? I worked on your Subaru.
Oh, I'd love to work on your Subaru.
Well, I did it all already. So.
Next time.
Steve
Next
and I,
time.
Next time. Yeah, dude, that's a wrap for today. You're gonna go home, do some editing. I'm gonna do an oil change on this now, do a coolant line, and it's 6 o'clock now. I'll probably head home soon. But other than that, we'll check you tomorrow morning back at the shop.